This is the current version of the DAQ box. You can see I have dovetail lips here so it can slide right out. There's a hole here with a backing for a recessed nut. I should make it taking it off really easy. Let me cut it open really quick. We'll go right here. Let's flip it. Okay, so in the inside you can see the actual DAQ assembly fits pretty well. I have it to where this can all shift forward and it'll come out of the top very easily. As it stands now, I'll be putting in little pegs for the boards to be sitting on. That way they're not just sitting on the actual frame of the box itself. There eventually will be some holes here for the CAN bus in and outs and the power and data on this side. Is this a good placement, you think, for the accelerometer? I was thinking of lining the pins up since it would actually be mounted this way on the car. I was thinking, since I'm figuring you're using these analog inputs here for these analog outputs, that it'd be the best to have them this direction. Let me know what you think about that. I don't exactly know what you're looking for, but this is what I've been thinking of. And then this wouldn't be attached on top of it like I was thinking of doing it to this hole here and this hole here. I just ended up making it a little bit longer. It would make the mounting a little bit more simple, and it would let you have this right next to the wall there so you can actually plug things in without having to weasel it through.